How about you just look at it from a different perspective? We have been talking about how what role is NetOps and networking play. Now let's just talk about if you look at these high level IT trends, although of course cloud adoption is happening, there are still a lot of companies, they still have, you can call it traditional or legacy setup, and they are kind of modernizing themselves. How is that changing the operation of networks? What is the impact network is facing because of these changes?
No, it's interesting. There are a couple big trends, right? COVID's one of them, right? We've got another big trend around zero trust coming down the pipeline, where now the security model's changing. And I think the landscape, that line is being blurred between NetOps and security personnel. And you're finding that instead of being in that silo, like you mentioned before, you're finding that there's a joint effort that's got to happen. And this is where net DevOps is really starting to take hold, is that concept of how do we break that silo down? How do we bring people together and leverage all of those DevOps best practices and principles and bring them to bear for the network? In order to manage security at scale, in order to manage network at scale in the growing node environment, you've got to look for those efficiencies. And as you see the NetOps, folks working very, very close with security, you're seeing those natural synergies start to come to fruition.